Okay, so I'm really super hoping that none of you answered that question by saying, oh, I know, let's take every single one of these and let's divide the original polynomial by it and see that there's no remainder, because that would take too long. Although you're right, and that would work, it would simply take too long, and we don't have all day here. I wish we did, because that'd be awesome, but we don't. So instead, hopefully somebody said, I know, let's just pull out our graphing calculator, because if we graph this thing, we should be able to see 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3. We'll be able to see where it crosses. So I'm going to type in y equals x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 6. And I just have mine on a standard window because all I need are positive and negative 1, 2, 3, and 6. So standard is probably even overkill, but that's -10 to +10. So that's how I graphed it. Here it comes. Wait for it. There you go. Ooh, oh, passes 3 times. I think I can see exactly which ones it is. I see it. Well, I think I do. Ooh, I kind of do. I don't know. Some of them look better than others. Let's take a look at these. So I'm just going to put this up on a new page. And let's see what we got here. It looks to me, if I had to make a guess, it looks like probably -1 is a root, which means what's the factor? Tell your partner. All right, and I don't know about that 2 there. Might be, but I still have a question about it. Maybe 2. But I can't really tell for sure by my graph. It just doesn't look that great. I mean, I could try zooming in on it by changing the window. So maybe I'll make this window -3 on the x-axis to +5, or even to +3 if I wanted to. And y, I guess I don't really need anything beyond -3 there. And I don't really care how high up it goes, but I guess I'd want to at least include the y-intercept, so I'll just leave it 10. Okay, so there's the -1. I'm almost positive about that one. 2 looks like it's in there, but it does not look like a bounce, which I originally thought it was. It looks like it actually dips down a little bit. Okay, so let's just take a closer look at that. This stuff. Okay, just move that down here. Yeah, it looks like it definitely takes a little dip in here. But maybe, still, I'm going to go with maybe 2. Now, how could I tell for sure? So I'm going to go with the x plus 1 being a factor and the x minus 2. So now I've narrowed it down to 2. The other 2, I don't know. The other 2 look to be fractions, and I'm not going to be able to easily get those. That might be who knows what. But those 2, if I wanted to test them and say with some certainty for sure that they would work, what would happen if I divided? Tell your partner what would happen. Okay, I would definitely not get a remainder. So everybody remember Polydoku? Take some time with your partners, with your teammates, to do this division, and also divide x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 6. Divide that also by the x minus, or do I have that backwards? X plus 1 and x minus 2. X plus 1 and x minus 2, yeah. So do those divisions and make sure, verify for me that there's no remainder, because that's my guess, but go for it. And then when you're ready, you can watch the next video.